LangChain Grok Chat Models. A detailed description of LangChain Grok Chat Models, expanding on the key concepts and components. This section delves into the integration of Grok hardware, a specialized accelerator designed for AI workloads, into the LangChain framework. The primary aim is to leverage the computational prowess of Grok to enhance the performance of LangChain-based chat models. Inputs. Text prompt refers to the user's input or question, which triggers the chat model's response generation process. For instance, a user might ask, "What is the capital of France?" Contextual data. This encompasses additional information that aids the model in understanding the prompt and providing a relevant response. This could include a document, a set of facts, or prior conversations. For example, if the user had previously inquired about European countries, the model might use this context to better understand the prompt. Outputs. Generated response. The output of the LangChain Grok chat model is the generated response, which is a textual answer to the user's input. It's produced based on the processing of the prompt and contextual data, enhanced by the computational power of Grok. Continuing the example, the model would likely respond with Paris after processing the prompt and relevant contextual information. Steps. Define a LangChain chain using the Grok integration. This involves configuring a LangChain chain that utilizes the Grok hardware for processing. This step typically entails integrating the Grok SDK, a set of tools and libraries, into the LangChain pipeline. Process the text prompt and contextual data through the chain. The chain processes the user's input and any contextual information, leveraging the Grok hardware's capabilities to perform complex calculations and computations that are integral to natural language processing tasks. Output. The response generated by the Grok hardware. The Grok hardware, equipped with specialized processors, accelerates the computations and model inference, ultimately contributing to a faster and more efficient response generation process. Prerequisites. LangChain installation. To begin using LangChain Grok chat models, you need to install the LangChain library, which serves as the foundation for building and managing the chain. This is usually done via the Python package manager pip. The command pip install LangChain installs LangChain and its dependencies. Grok hardware and software setup. This step involves having the Grok hardware in place and configuring its software environment. This requires referencing the Grok documentation, which provides detailed instructions on setting up the hardware and its associated software. Fine-tune parameters. Model architecture. This refers to the structure and design of the underlying language model used in the chat model. It influences the model's capabilities and performance. Choosing a suitable architecture, such as a transformer-based model like BERT or GPT-3, is crucial for achieving the desired accuracy and efficiency. For example, selecting a larger model architecture might lead to greater accuracy but require more computational resources. Training dataset. This comprises a collection of text data used to train the language model. The quality and diversity of the training dataset significantly impact the model's ability to understand and respond to prompts. A comprehensive dataset, representing various styles and topics, helps the model generalize to diverse inputs. For example, a dataset containing news articles, code snippets, and dialogue transcripts might enable the model to handle a wider range of prompts. Challenges and fixes. Integration complexity. Integrating Grok hardware into LangChain involves overcoming the complexity of interfacing different technologies and frameworks. This often entails careful coordination between the Grok SDK and the LangChain application. Programming Interface API. Hardware optimization to maximize the performance gains offered by Grok hardware. It's crucial to optimize the model's architecture and the training data. This involves fine-tuning the model's structure and selecting an appropriate training dataset to leverage the hardware's strengths effectively. LangChain Google Vertex Vision Models Vertex AI Visual Q&A Chat. A LangChain tool for interacting with Google Vertex AI vision models. This tool allows users to ask questions about images using a Vertex AI vision model. The tool loads an image, sends it to the Vertex AI vision model, and returns the answer to the user's question. Inputs: an image to be analyzed by the Vertex AI vision model. This can be a local file path or a URL to an image. For example, the image path can be path_image.jpg or the URL can be https://example.com image.jpg. A question about the image, which is then answered by the Vertex AI vision model. This question can be a natural language question such as what is the object in the center of a image, or is this a cat or a dog? Outputs: the answer provided by the Vertex AI vision model to the question asked about the image. Steps: load the image from the provided path or URL. Send the image to the Vertex AI vision model for analysis. This involves using the Vertex AI vision model's application programming interface API to send the image data and request a prediction. Get the response from the Vertex AI vision model, which contains the answer to the question asked about the image. This response is typically in a structured format, such as JSON. Prerequisites: a Google Cloud project is needed to use the Vertex AI vision model. A Google Cloud project ID is used to identify the project within Google Cloud. This ID is typically a unique alphanumeric string. A Vertex AI vision model is needed to analyze the image. The Vertex AI vision model name identifies the specific Vertex AI vision model used for image analysis. This name is typically a unique alphanumeric string. Fine-tune parameters. The model name specifies the name of the Vertex AI vision model being used. This name helps identify the specific model being used for image analysis. The model version specifies the version of the Vertex AI vision model being used. This version number helps identify the specific version of the model being used for image analysis. Challenges and fixes. If the image cannot be loaded, verify the image path or URL. Ensure that the path or URL points to a valid image file and that the image file is accessible. If there is an error in the Vertex AI vision model request, verify the Vertex AI vision model name and version. Ensure that the model name and version are correct and that the model is accessible. If there is an error in parsing the response from the Vertex AI vision model, verify the response format and data type. Ensure that the response format is correct and that the data type matches the expected format.